What's up guys? In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue when your Windows 10 update is stuck while downloading or unable to install. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions, then leave a comment and let me know. First of all, make sure that the download is really stuck and not bottlenecked by a slow network connection. If nothing changes on your screen for some time, then you can safely assume that your update froze. Before doing any major tweaks, I recommend to simply try to restart your PC. This can solve some issues on the first attempt. If this did not help, then search for Troubleshoot to open up the Troubleshoot system settings. Here, select Windows Update under Get Up and Running. Select to run the troubleshooter and, if you can, run it as an admin. This should potentially identify problems you may have with the download or installation of the update. In case your update is still stuck, I suggest backing up your computer to a previous state using a system restore point. If you have no backup saved, then open the recovery settings. Here, you can reset your PC to the default factory settings and uninstall third-party applications, which in some cases cause issues. You can choose to keep your personal files in the process. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.